So here we have one more question on decision making. It says you are the product head in a company that manufactures mobile phones. And recently a Chinese brand has launched a mobile phone which is quite similar to your product in terms of features, looks, and it is also at a much lower price. Consecutively, you see a decline in the demand of your product and a huge loss. Because of this, you are being pressurized by your boss to take immediate steps to improve the demand for the product. So basically, the situation is that you have to take immediate steps to improve the demand of the product of your company. So what will you do? Will you request your boss to increase the number of employees in the product team before you take any steps? Well, this will not address the issue at hand, because increasing the number of employees, one, it will take a lot of time. Two, the question talks about a need where you need a situation where you need a strategy to deal with the competitor, and increasing your workforce is not something that will help you in this particular case. And also it will take a lot of time, and the company will have to see further losses. So this cannot be the solution. Conduct a detailed study to learn about the making, quality, features, and price of the competitor's product. Yes, we can go with this. This is definitely a correct solution, because in order to increase the demand of your product, it is necessary for you to have a complete detail about the product in competition, be it its features, quality, or whatever, because only then you will be able to plan a good strategy for your own product, keeping in mind the other aspects of the other product, the competitor's product. So yes, we can go with this option. Reduce the cost of your mobile phone to increase the sales. Well, this is not a good idea, because your company is already incurring losses, and if you'll further reduce the cost price of your mobile phone just to increase the sales, and just to your competitors product is at a lower price, just because of that, if you'll do it, this will definitely not help you in any way. It will in fact lead to further losses for the company. So this is definitely not a good solution. Conduct a public survey to find out the exact reasons for the buyer's attraction to the newly launched product. Yes, this is also a very good idea. Conducting a public survey, that why people are attracted towards the newly launched product. Is it only because of the prices, or is it because of some particular feature? So this will give you a good idea about buyers' attraction for the product, and this in turn will help you plan a proper strategy for improving the demand of your product. So yes, this is also a very good solution. So the answer will be option B or D.